Get me the hell out of here. Why are you still talking?
I don't know.
So,
Why are you still talking?
look, here's number 10. I've got the distribution in. Here's the normal payouts. There's the probabilities. So, your average for number 10 should be about negative 41 cents. That means for every dollar bet, you're down a dollar. On average, they're giving you back only 59 cents back. So they're making really good change for themselves. Here's a dollar. Oh, thank you. Here's for 59 cents back. We'll keep 41. That's what's going on, essentially, right? Better yet, just walk with 41 cents each. Have a nice day, and then walk away. Don't even bother filling the time out to do the card. Just, it's costing you 41 cents on average. That's the normal game. Then they decided to double the payouts for that 1 month period, which means the payouts now look like this. Yes? Okay, you're still losing a dollar if you lose. The probabilities are still the same. The numbers are still falling with the same regularity. You're still losing 3/4 of the time. Taryn, you're still losing 3/4 of the time. You're still losing that dollar 3/4 of the time. But what happens to the average, friends?
Goes up.
Positive 19. Positive 19 cents. Which means instead of playing the game, walk up to them with your hand out and ask for your 19 cents. Right? Because isn't that actually what happens on average over time?
On average.
You're going to lose 3/4 of the time. But when you win, the money actually makes up for your losses, which it doesn't do on the normal payouts. Does that make sense? So you see, if you read the very bottom of it, you can see how these kids capitalized. They just walked in. I don't know how they started with the money they started with. I don't know how they got their original batch of money, their seed money for this.
They probably had a backer.
Hopefully a math faculty member, right? Here's my credit card, go. Right? Seriously, if you could guarantee me this was happening, we'd be talking. And they just started, they weren't even looking at what they were doing. Fill them tickets out, fill them out, fill them out. Don't even look at the results. Just keep the payouts coming as they come. Did you run the 4 days worth? They did about 1,500 tickets per each of those days. They did 20 games on each ticket, which is about 20 bucks per ticket, right? Times a 19-cent payoff per dollar, and they're like, whatever. But they didn't even bet $1, they bet $5 per game. 112,000 bucks after 4 days of work.
Wow.
That's badass. You just keep reinvesting the winnings back in because every dollar reinvested is 120% interest. When's the last time you had a bank account paying 120% interest?
Never.
Unless you remember the Italian mafia from Jersey.
That's what I was gonna say. It's the basic mafia.
Unless you're a mafia boss, you're not getting that kind of interest rate. Isn't that amazing? It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. Except for the poor drunk guy trying to play Bet 5, which did the same payouts. But it's just amazing to me. That happens way more than we realize. You have to be in the right place at the right time. So watch Keno. When you're watching that game, little digital game in the bars, watch that. If they change the payouts, pay attention. Bring them to me, we'll run the numbers together. Cool? Good. I can come out cross-eyed sometimes when I look at them. All right, if you want to use it as a quiz, drop it up here, yes?
Have you noticed that there's only 5 available points on this?
There's only what?
What do you got for number 5?
1 point for each box. That's 5 points right there.
19 cents.
Oh, 19.
No! I'm a friendly bastard.
You tricky friendly bastard.
19 cents is okay for you?
19 cents is fine. 18.6, 19 cents, doesn't matter. As long as you, the key is that it's positive and it's closer to 19 cents on the happy.
Oh god, that's recording my face. I just moved it, it's still recording, so that's gonna record the wall.
But no, it reminded me of my friend and he punches in the numbers. He'll do like
That'll be in there.
Maybe we'll get rid of the numbers, and then he starts making this based off the last 10 games.
Just have to wait.
Sit there for
They said nothing could be